Alright, so here we are over at Epcot now, part 2 of our fun day. Well, fun for all of us except Tiff, who got hit by a palm frond over at Hollywood.
Yeah.
Yeah, poor baby.
Badly bruised.
But she did make a Disney record.
Yes.
She was the first to get ever hit by a palm frond.
Yay.
Let me see that.
It's bandaged up.
Aww. But it does bruise, so if I touch it, yeah.
And it's bruised from my shoulder blade all the way to the freaking bandage.
I feel bad for her. My poor baby.
I can't believe that happened though.
I know.
I mean, best of fucking luck this week. Jeez.
You poor thing.
Really? You know, they always say aggression to the means.
Alright, so let's get into the park. Wow, I can't believe it's 5 o'clock already. That is just amazing to me.
Here, all of this is a rainbow.
Oh god.
That's
So
we
basically,
need to get indoors now.
it's gonna be a bad storm soon is what Tiffany is telling me. But before we go today, we actually have some stuff that we're gonna point out over here at Epcot that you may have not known. Like, for instance, the Great Movie Ride was originally going to be a pavilion here at Epcot. And we're going to show you right where that should have been. However, it actually grew into
Really stinks.
the ride over there at Hollywood Studios. Alright, let's get our drink now.
What are you doing? It's just wonderful today.
Alright, so now here we are at Club Cool. We got our drinks and then lightning hit.
Yeah, and the sirens.
Yep, and now the alarms are going off at Club Cool. And they don't know how long until they get them off. This is awesome today. And now they're telling us we have to evacuate. Okay, that's cool.
This way, Ren. I know we can.
Alright, so lightning hit the building or something happened, and now we're being evacuated.
It's alright. It's all good.
Thank you. Can we go into that building?
Can we cross the...
We're not going in the rain. We're right here, okay?
Wow. Shit. That is amazingly scary. Alright, so Tiff and Lil are over there. I'm about to go join with them. And yeah, we're outside right now. And they have the monorail still going over there. So my best guess is they're getting ready to shut down the monorail as we speak right now. Hey, short girl.
She's pulling on me too hard. I can barely hold her.
Lil.
It's alright. It's alright.
Alright, baby girl.
Alright. Okay?
Baby girl, it's alright. Look at me. It's gonna be okay.
See, we're under a building, okay?
Are we allowed to go inside?
I don't know. They're going off in there too.
So everywhere's going off.
I guess so, yeah.
Alright, so we just got Lily a little something to make her feel better. Hey Lou! This is from me and Mommy, okay? Do you like him? Okay. Yeah, right now she's just gonna be quiet. Yeah, she's still scared about the storm. But anything to help make her feel a little bit better. Hello, sir. Are you gonna go out? Not me, are they?
We got stuck in it yesterday. We came off the spaceship on, and we got stuck in it. My mom had a wheelchair and it was up past the wheel.
Oh, dear God.
Really bad.
I couldn't imagine going out in this right now.
Yeah, we got stuck in it.
I just couldn't imagine being in this storm right now out there, walking around.
It's unbelievable.
I've seen the water go all the way up to people's shoes.
It's up to their shins like that.
I know. This is crazy. Look at this. It's kind of like they're walking up onto a beach.
Ask somebody that got one of the Disney hats on.
We were on Spaceship Earth yesterday, and it was raining on us inside the ride.
Oh, wow.
That's when we knew it was raining outside. I'm like, we're getting rained on in the ride.
Rained on inside on the roller coaster.
On Spaceship Earth, because you could feel water dripping on
Oh,
the
on
inside
Spaceship Earth,
yesterday.
that's right. Okay.
So we were on it yesterday.
Wow. Oh, look, somebody's having fun. Holy moly. That is just crazy. These poor people. I'm not going out. Don't worry.
Oh, I'm thinking about it.
Now you realize you're gonna get really wet, right?
I'm not carrying a couple of $1,000 camera, so
Oh God, yeah.
It's no big thing to me.
Now, if I had my GoPro on me, which is only about $400 waterproof camera, maybe. But the T6Is are not waterproof.
Yeah. You need the whole bag.
Oh, that's for the fountain, I think. Hello. Oh my God, check this guy. Alright, so basically, it just keeps getting bigger and more delayed. I'm going over to check out Character Spot and seeing if we can actually get ourselves in there. People right now are just trying to make the best of it. Oh God, it smells horrible under here. Alright, so the good news is it looks like they're letting people back in. So I'm going to go ahead and take the girls over. Although I could be jumping in the puddle like her.
Look at the fun her having. Come on.
Oh, I know. You guys look like you're having so much fun out there, guys.
Having a blast. Life's not life.
She had a palm tree fall on her today.
Oh my goodness, here?
Yeah. No, actually at Hollywood Studios.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm just having a bad day.
Yeah. So you brought this rain with you.
Right?
Actually, no, I did because I said if that's the worst that happens to us today, then we're good.
Right.
Yeah, well.
So yeah, it's actually me.
Right.
I'm the horrible one.
He didn't knock on
She
wood.
loved it.
It was fun.
You know what? Should I go outside and play in the rain, Tiff?
No, you have a camera on.
What if I leave it with
You
you?
got brand new shoes. No.
Oh, right. Okay, so the choices are I take off my shoes, leave the camera with Tiff, go play
It just
in the
got deeper.
rain. Oh, wow. Yeah. Plus, those raindrops are a little hard.
That is a lot of water.
Okay, so...
No, we're
check this out. This is amazing to me right now. I'm gonna leave T6I with Tiffany, and I'm just gonna step a little bit.
Go.
That's it. All right, so this is it here. Check this out, guys. Look at this family. Here they are in the actual water. Oh my god, it's just like a beach. You know what? You guys actually have a good choice here.
That's the way to do it.
Oh, I see that.
Oh yeah, but you can't get. It's still wet. It's still wet.
Oh my god. Check this out, guys. This is incredible. Right now I'm covering my phone so that way it doesn't get too soaked. But holy crap, look at this. This guy is so deep into the water, it's unbelievable. And he's holding both of his kids as he trudges along. If that's not Dad of the Year, I don't know who is right now. That's amazing to me. Come on, you can do it. See, it's just right there, and that's where it ends, really. But if I kept walking, I would actually be in a pretty bad area. Because it's so high up, it goes to the curb that I'm actually on right now. Alright, so there are people that are just about over that we've been watching. Yeah, the way I figure, if I'm gonna get some lemons right now today, I'm gonna make some darn lemonade. And these cool shots are pretty good, actually. Oh, shit. See, check this out. Look at this, Dad. This is a pretty good dad here. He's taking the brunt of everything just so his kid doesn't have to trudge through. That's pretty cool to him. Me, I'm just the camera guy with the little YouTube channel. Congratulations, guys. You have made it.
We're making it.
And I have a feeling that Tiffany got some shots of me. Like, look at this. These people are so... Look at this poor girl. Look at this woman here. She's barely able to walk through it. Hey guys, just another rainy day in Florida.
Huh?
Just another fun day.
Day in Florida, yeah.
Isn't this what they promised in the brochure?
I thought so.
A brand new experience, unlike any other. All right, so it wasn't too bad actually. Look at this child.
Yeah.
Come on.
She was just swimming, it looked like.
Alright, let's go do Melissa's ride with the camera.
All right, so I'm gonna braid the front one last time. All right, so you remember what I did last time? Hey, isn't it a nice day? All right, so here's what we're doing. I have my hand covering the phone. And look at these people. Hello.
Sorry.
That's okay. Oh, it didn't work. And it looks like the water is coming up even higher now than what it was. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. The storm is coming in even more. We have to retreat.
Oh my god, it's running down the
I am now officially soaking wet. And yeah, this isn't good.
Brian, you're really.
Okay, so set rep. You guys just saw how I was down there. It was really bad, but I couldn't do the T6i. Instead, I had to actually use my iPhone. But I am soaking wet right now. Tiffany's not that bad off.
No, I just stepped out there real quick.
I bet I'm so wet she wouldn't even hug me right now.
No.
Hug?
No.
Look at her, she's trying to.
Brian, come on, it's freezing over here.
Yep, she wants to avoid me. That's alright. So, that's basically right where we're at. We are stuck still. And at least I made some lemons out of the lemonade.
With something nobody.
You know what? Hold on. Strike that, reverse it. Let's Willy Wonka it. Lemons into lemonade. There we go. Alright, so basically, I have no freaking clue what we're gonna do. I honestly don't. Basically, everything is flooded over here. There
It's
she
just
is.
getting worse.
Yeah,
Look how high up it's starting to get over here.
I know.
People are starting to congregate, trying to figure out how to get around it. Look at that, they're going like one by one on the rail.
I know, I saw that when I was over there. Here, hold the cam. You got it?
Yeah. Is that lightning?
No.
Oh no, it's got taking pictures.
So after all the trudging, we finally made it to America, sat down, got our food. Two American burgers, with fries, and soda pop. And Lily got her awesome hot dog. Are you happy?
There you go, boo-boos. Be right back.
Tiff's gonna go get a fork or something, or ketchup probably. Hopefully ketchup. How the fries need ketchup. There's like no taste to them. Yay, you brought ketchup back. I can kiss you, that's how much I love you right now. The fries are like so bland, they have no flavor to them.
They're salted.
Barely.
They're not bad. I'm starving.
Oh, I know, I said that already. But wow, that burger is amazing.
Sure.
All this food.
They couldn't just put it on the burger?
All this food was originally $46. But with our discount, only $38.
Yeah, that's just joyful.
Isn't it amazing? Alright, so I'm exaggerating on the amazing part. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys go and I'm going to eat this. Oh, Tiffany's got a lot of bacon because she loves bacon.
No, already not. Not gonna break off a tube just for this.
Daddy, see?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
No.
I mean, I don't like bacon.
No, I'll give it to Disney. Their burgers are a million times better than Universal's.
Yeah.
They're not even in the same ballpark. That's how bad Universal is. Tim's gonna take her first bite. And her tiny mouth barely gets to the meat. It's passable, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and let you guys go, and when we come back, we'll be over in France or who knows where.
You know they have the desserts here, right?
Yes, they have the Rocky Road Mousse.
Yeah. Why didn't you get it?
But I know you like the chocolate au duo.
Yeah, I did like that one.
But you also like sitting too. And if you know France, you know you can't sit unless you're lucky. And are we lucky today? No. Lily said it best.
After the meal, then we'll see, okay?
Yeah. Alright guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Shame on you. She couldn't even wait for the camera to start rolling.
No, I'm taking the nuts off for her.
So you're just eating all the nuts.
Pretty much.
And you don't see anything wrong with me saying that. Perfect.
It's not gonna hurt.
Alright, so this is the Rocky Road Mousse Cake over at America Pavilion. Looks pretty awesome,
It
actually.
doesn't look like the same thing that we had the first time.
I know.
What's going on with that?
Is it just as good?
Yeah.
Alright, awesome. Yeah, honestly, this was a dessert I was kind of fond of. There we go. It's not bad looking at all. It's pretty good, actually.
It's either cake or chocolate.
Isn't that good, though? Isn't that great? I think she's spoiled by France.
It's a chocolate mousse.
I know. Oh well.
Alright. Well, we're not going to France, Lily.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and eat our desserts and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do next.
Yeah.
Finally, the sky is clear and the rain is gone. But unfortunately, it's gotten too late.
What, 3 hours later?
Yeah. It's 7:58 right now.
It is 3 hours.
I told you that storm would probably last till about closing.
That sucks.
Basically, all of my day has been gone since 5 o'clock because of that storm.
Yeah.
And now Tiffany doesn't know what she wants to do.
Look at the bird.
Holy
It's like the
crap.
size of a small child.
That thing is pretty big. Tiffany always has to warn me not to do stuff. But I have a feeling it's eyeing that piece of meat in that guy's hand. No, maybe not. God. That bird is freaking huge.
When birds attack. It's not raining.
Nope, no more rain now. Nope, the entire storm is gone. And all that's left is just a beautiful area. Oh yes, and the puddles. Puddles are always nice. Unless you step in it.
Yeah, well, they actually had to open the drains.
Yeah, so in the video earlier, we showed the flood zone. This here is exactly what they would have had to open in order to release the water.
Yeah. And it drained fast because of it.
Oh yeah. Kind of like dumping the water out of a tub really quick at home.
Yeah. Yeah, take all the fun away.
I know, all the good scenes. All right, now it's time to go to one of my favorite areas, Japan. Great shopping, good soup, horrible desserts. I'm sorry, I'm not a fan of their green tea cheesecake. I find it to be actually quite nasty. Yeah, the price for what you pay and get, it's just not worth it.
Yeah, I don't see why it's so expensive. Literally, it's that big.
Oh, I know. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, don't buy the desserts. But their soup is
Now, unfortunately, we can't ride Frozen Ride today because it's basically too late. Oh, I know. I feel like a fat little mess right now. Yeah, but then you couldn't have had good burgers.
I don't want burgers, and I hated the fact that I had to eat there.
Yeah, and it wasn't even that good burgers, by the way.
No, they're
It was passable, but not great. You never will.
And there's nobody ever here every single time I come.
Every time you come by, you're like cursed, or they disappear. Yeah, you're never gonna get to try it. No, done for you. You're too full from. So this is your second burger today.
I know, I didn't want any more. I feel puke.
Ah, honey, nice.
I'm tired of them. I'm not
Yeah.
having a single burger at all this week. Yes, I
Yeah, but just do me a favor.
What?
Don't do that in the new car, though.
Yeah. Not really, though. My stomach hurts.
Take a look. Now, I had the lemon one before. Because I did like a mystery pack thing from Japan, and that was really good.
You want to talk about good, Ryan? These are good. You had those before.
I know. They're so delicious, though. I didn't know our kid liked Pokemon. Did you?
No, I didn't either.
Oh, God. Yay, they sell my $65 Speak and Say. Yeah, it's a weird Japanese translator kind of deal.
This is new. Isn't that
Oh.
cute?
It is pretty cute.
That is adorable.
What's with the hamster?
I don't know.
It looks like it belongs from a Kia commercial.
One of those dwarf hamster looking things.
Like, look at
And
that
then of
one
course
there.
they got the alpacas. They're a big thing in Japan right now.
Hello Kitty! Which is actually Japanese, not Chinese. Hello Kitty comes to watch too? Wow.
But yeah, that's new. Lily.
I see something that's got my attention.
What?
Funko Pop!
Really?
Heck yeah! I love my Batman collection of Funko Pop.
They have changed a few things around here.
Yeah, but I wasn't a big fan of the new Power Rangers movie. I saw it, I own it, but it sucks. I know I'm gonna get a little bit of heat for
Yeah,
that.
this really, really nice book bag. But you won't believe the price.
Oh god, $60.
Close.
$52?
Yeah.
That's a bargain.
Sure.
I was gonna pay $60, so get an $8 discount. Awesome. But you don't get your AP discount here.
I do like the lunchboxes though. They're pretty cool. Not only do they have the bottom, they also have like a.
Aw.
Oh, I don't know.
I tell you what.
Oh, that's neat.
I let you get a job, and then you take a Choco Cat lunch pail to work with you. And you can open your lunch pail
So cute.
at lunch break. And
Look at this lunchbox. I actually like this one. It's got that strap back
I
there to
know.
put the icebox.
and look, it's even got a
It's like
little.
a whole backpack.
Look, you can even have a little stainless steel bottle.
$35.
How cool is that? I think Tiff would love that.
What is this for?
It's just a steel bottle.
Okay.
You wouldn't use the bottle?
It is cute.
Kawaii.
What?
Kawaii.
Daddy, Daddy.
Oh, Tiffany. She's too American.
I'm just tired.
Okay, guys, so we have had a pretty okay day, but now it's time to end it. I know, it really sucks that all this storm activity really took us away from all of our fun. But it's time to end. It's going on 8:30. I gotta get home. I gotta get everything ready for you guys. So, like and subscribe. Comment for more suggestions on what to do next. We love each and every one of you. And thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great night. Okay? Because despite the palm front, all the storms, everything, it's been actually an okay day. It's been a fun adventure back to Disney. And honestly, I thought it was going to be more delayed than what we had. But with all the gap coverage and the car being officially totaled out and everything, we're able to get back on our feet quicker. So, yeah. Things actually worked out pretty well, I guess, in the end. Just like Angela Lansbury, as Mrs. Potts said, don't worry, dear, it'll all work out in the end. And she was right. So now it's time to end this night of fun for me, misery for Tiff, and get on back home. So, love you guys, alright? And thanks for watching.